Salibonani sisibuyele njalo podcast yabantu, podcast yomhlaba. Siyahamba siphathele ama guest ahlukeneyo kuze kube mnandi. Mina lami ibizo nguJoyful Sibongo koNcube phansi laphana eMangwaneni esigodini. Namhlanje ngiphathele udadewethu. Salibonani.
Bhuti njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Siyaphila.
Yebo. Before sisiyakhatshana vele lapha ngiphethe ingwalo ngazi ukuthi bayazibona yini ababukeli ngazigwazwa ngowami elandelayo ngeke ngixola ngazi ucameraman uyazibona ingwalo zami lezi engiziphethe lapha engizibonisa ngeke ngixole ngazigwaza ngowami by Messi Muda. Is it Muda or Muda?
Yeah, it's Muda.
Muda.
Yeah, umvundla kahle but angazi isithakazelo.
Okay, hayi sengimangini maybe ngisikhiwa noma umuntu wakwelinye ilizwe. Sekwamukela ehlelweni podcast yabantu. Siyakubona kakhulu ku abalobi bakithi. So is it safe for us to say you are an author?
Yeah.
Okay, semangaka amabhuku.
Mathathu. Yeah.
Okay, asibuyele emuva siqale uzethule. Igama usisi ngubani, uzalwa kuphi, vela ngaphi?
Okhulumayo nguMessi Mvundla. uMajiyani.
Okay.
Ngizalwa eCholocho endaweni yaseChefunye.
Chefunye.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Lami ngiyazi phela iCholocho. But ngale Bhubuda.
Hayi ngizalwa khona futhi. Ngifunde khona.
Okay, asakhuluma masiqeda la. Khona la okunekhehlalelana elizala mina.
Kukomalume wami ke.
Ziyakhala. Isikolo ufunde khona, primary, secondary school, move somewhere else?
Ngifunde eChefunye Primary School. Then secondary yami ngayenza eBhubude Secondary School.
Okay.
Yes.
Kunjani ukukhulela eCholocho? The reason why ngibuza ukuthi nxa siphila sihamba phandle lana kuyabe kule certain lifestyles and behaviors that are even celebrated. Kuthiwa mina ngwejwane mina, hey mina so mina that like likufundiswa likhula into ekhona or inkulumo nje abantu abayikhulumayo lapha phandle?
Ngicabanga ukuthi inkulumo abantu abayikhulumayo ngoba lokho ukuthi ngizalelwe ngaphi ngakhulela ngaphi. Bengingumntwana nje ngizibona nsemakhaya nje. But khona lokho ukuthi kulejwane hathi nasibuye eCholocho hayi ngikwazele eGoli, otherwise hayi siphume eCholocho nje emakhaya.
Lile nhlonipho
Siyahlonipha.
Uthini ngegenge lenye manje yabe isifuna ukuziqhenya ngokuCholocho kodwa ngezinto ezimbi?
Uyazi usiphatha kabi ikakhulukazi nxa kanje kulomsebenzi owenzayo kanje njengokuthi ngiyabhala izingwalo. Ngidinga isupport yomuntu wonke, umhlaba wonke. Ubusuhlangana lento ezinjalo kuyakwenza ukuthi wesabe lokuthi kuyas-affecta kakhulu ukuthi usabe lokuthi uthi ngibuye eCholocho. Ngaleso sikhathi lawe you are doing yonke into yenzayo ufuna ukukhuphula indawo yakini
and to live well amongst humanity.
Yes.
But because of a few people so ugcina kumoshakala.
Yebo, and lokho kuyaphatha kabi kakhulu. And
how is your upbringing? Was it an upbringing with a complete set of parents, grandmas? Because the reason why ngibuza lokho khona umbuzo ngisafuna ukubuza phambili. How was your upbringing?
Ukukhula kwami beku right, loba ngeke ngithi beku right lokho okokuthi 100%. Bekungekho perfect kodwa khona lokho ukuthi umamula ubabula. But ke isimo sakudala ukuthi ukuthola kwabantu besibaningi ekhaya. Plus abazali bami ikakhulu mamami ubengumuntu othanda ukuletha wonke umuntu ekhaya kube ngumntwana wakhona lapho ekubeni la ekala lutho
zinjalo lezi zalukazi.
So lokhana angeke ngikuthi bekuyenza impilo zethu zibe nzima, ngifuna ukuqamba amanga, angifuna ukubeka that way ngoba besikujabulela. But ke beko right sihambile esikolweni bekuba lezikhathi ezinzima zokuthi ukudla kutholakala enzima kodwa
besingakazi.
Yes. Sibonga ukuthi besingakazi silale singadlanga. So nxa kunjalo I think impilo yabe right. La sesikolweni uhamba.
The love of writing iqala esikolweni noma into oyiqala after usuphumile esikolo?
Ngingathi ngiqale esikolweni ngoba esikolweni benithanda ukubala kakhulu. So okuyinto ebisenza ukuthi eyangenza ngafeyila lesikoleni uform 4 wami angimpasanga kahle. Ngenxa yokuthi uteacher befundisa mina ngaphansi kwelokham fihle inoveli ngiyabala ngizwa angikho angizwa ukuthi uteacher uthini.
So ama novel abezokuhlangisa.
Bekuyilokho ukuthi nxa isimnandi kakhulu awusakwazi ukuthi uyibeke phansi akustopheki usuthatha lesikhathi sokubala uwenze njalo. But ke khona bengisizwa ukuthi okay ngikhaya ngizabuyela kancane futhi kuloko ukuthi iupbringing beyinjani. I think enye into ebengijabulela ngithi bekuyiloko ukuthi kungaba khona oba lebhuku ibhuku ikakhulu ama novel kanje sibuya lalo ekhaya then ntambama masigwejisile siyabala wonke umuntu into is letter closer ukuthi wonke umuntu babuya behleli lapha umama lapha abantwana sonke sihlale lapho yi1 ebese sibalela and oyi1 wakhona bekuhlala kuyimi. So khona lokhana bekungikhuthaza ngifise lami ukuthi maybe one day ngingabhala lami kube lo muntu obala into engibhalileyo of which ngathi sengiqedile esikoleni ngathola umsebenzi esikole bemfunda kiso Chefunye Primary. I was a school secretary khona lapho. So there was a library bekulama novel lapho. So I used to take like insuku zonke benthatha ngihambela lo ekhaya silufunde kanjalo okuyinto eyayenza ukuthi ukubala kube yingxenye yethu like ngikhaya loba kuthiwa umuntu ukathanda amabala but les stories zona lezi. But ke ngashayeka kancane ngoba loba kwakunjalo ngizitshela ukuthi hayi one day lami bazofunda kwami then bengithanda ukubhala phansi ama poem kahle. Then I went to this man esikolo lapho. I think he was a deputy head or headmaster. Then ngiyathatha ama poem wami I think e primary license sebenza khona. Ngithi ngifuna ukuyoza ukuthi nxa ngifuna ukupublisha nje abantu bebala into ebhalwe yimi ngizokwenza njani. Then ngiyathatha ngiyafika kuye laphana ngibuza ukuthi so lapha nxa kunje ngoba ngiyayembona ezinye inkondlo zabanye zifundwa kwezinye ingwalo. Then ngingayenza kanjani? He was like hayi Messi this is impossible asinto engayenzeka le. Then ngathatha that ngalahla
kwaku crush spirit.
Ngathi hayi kucho
I'm not going to do this. So in all the books that you read, which one would you say this is my favorite, this is number one, title and author?
Say engawabalayo aseyadlulayo maningi kakhulu. Loba ngandithanda ukuthi nxa mbale ayesilungu but mbhala ngabona ukuthi hayi angisazi isilungu ngiyasizwa kuphela kutsho. Yes, but ke kulaleli elithi ukuthunjwa kwasukuzukudu hayi
I think masikhuluma ama 70s 80s ama 90s maybe khona lapho early 90s but 80s I think makuthiwa ukuthunjwa kwasukuzukudu everyone understands
inkinsela semgungundlovu.
You know the authors back then abo babu NS Gogo
sisichaye kwazwela one of the best.
Wow. So you are part of Abalobi Bakithi.
Yes.
sichazele ini that organization, what's happening there?
Okay, abalobi bakithi inhlanganiso eyasungulelwa ukuthi njoba sisekuhambeni asazi iminyango like where to go nxa ungabhala khona lokho bengikuthi ukuthi I once wrote ama poems ami and ngangazi ukuthi ngiqale kuphi. So nxa selihlangene lingabantu then omunye uyahamba ethola ulwazi somewhere, omunye la edinga kwakhe libe lihlanganisa.
Yeah.
So that's when I think it was 2013 lapho ngaqala khona ukubazi esikhathi beqeda nje ukubunjwa ngangena ku Facebook ngabheka nje ngabona ukuthi hayi abalobi bakithi ngathi ukuthi ayinto engiyithandayo ngalandela.
Ongafuna ukusondela usebenzisana.
Yes. Then ke ngathola ukuthi injongo yakhona iyo into engiyithandayo esenhlizweni iloko ukuthi siyabhala silondoloza ulimi.
Yeah.
So ngakuthanda kakhulu, then I joined there until today.
Until today.
Yes.
So these you wrote these and published them while you were still under Abalobi Bakithi.
Yes.
Ngazigwaza ngowami, ungazigwaza ngowami. How do I?
Ngazigwaza ngowami.
Ngazigwaza ngowami. Kuthwani la khuluma ngani?
Ungazigwaza ngowami likhuluma ngendoda.
Yeah.
Indoda yasemakhaya eyathatha unkosikazi.
Yeah.
Then ke yasuka yeza ngapha eGoli yachiya unkosikazi ekhaya and unkosikazi lo wayengathola abantwana. Then yamchiya yayingamphathi kahle khona lokhu okukhona kwamanye amadoda hayi yonke.
Yeah.
Kwamanye amadoda ukuthi umama nxa engatholi umntwana sokuba ngathi ifault yakhe, sokuba ngathi khona into kube kumele ayenze angathi uyakweleta. So indoda yamchiya ingaziphathanga kahle. Yabona lokhu abantu bale especially khona lokhu ngoba ngikhuluma ngamadoda.
Yeah.
Ukuthi uvela uzathini loba nisenzani ngoba vela akanamntwana. So indoda ibingaziphathanga kahle isenza loba yini. But wabekezela lapha kakhulu bemfuna ukuveza ukubekezela amandla omuntu wesifazana. Abesifazana abaningi abalawo ekubekezeleni. Indoda yasihamba yasebenza eGoli.
Okay.
Then yafika yaba labo abantu njengenjwayelo. Kanti kukhona umntwana yayimthole back then. Yahlangana laye. Wathandana laye then waba nguye kubo bonke athi lo ngifuna ukumthatha abe ngonkosikazi wesibili.
Okay.
Yeah. So yena wayelayo umntwana okhuliswa ngulo mama lo ongabanga labantwana.
Okay.
So mama lo yana
like adoption.
Ubaba wayemtholile umntwana owakhe.
Okay.
Ngaphandle.
Alright.
So wamlethela lo mama osekhaya ukuthi amkhulise.
Yes.
Of which wayemkhulisa kahle kakhulu.
Okay.
Okwayenza ukuthi ngifake that part yileyo ukuthi ngoba usekhona umntwana lo bengamzalanga but ukhona uyamkhulisa but
kumele futhi abizwe ngomntwana wakhe.
And umntwana was so good to mamakhe emhlonipha ngayo yonke indlela but lokho akubanga enough kubaba ukuthi ayedinga omunye ke. Then kwase kuba yilokho ukuthi isiphetho sakhona ubaba wazonanzelela esezelo mntanakhe amzalayo esethuzo methula konkosikazi. Wananzelela ukuthi umntanakhe amzala
ezomletha njengomfazi.
Yeah.
Kanti umntana wamzala egangeni wayohlangana naye
eGoli bathandana then sokuzovela umama wakhona sebona ukuthi
kulama similarities lana bacina kwenziwa iDNA.
Akwenziwa ngeDNA ngoba ubaba wathi bona enye into yaba khona ukuthi umntwana abamtholayo azange ebe right.
Okay.
Waba yisidalwa akabanga kahle.
Usengene engutsheni legazi la.
Yeah, ngokwazi kwethu esikwaziyo nxa sitshelwa ngabadala ukuthi umuntu igazeli lodwa limeza umuntu
yes.
ophilayo.
Yeah.
So kwaba kanjalo then ubaba ke sekhetha ukuzibulala ke. So nguye owayesebhala incwadi exolisa kunkosikazi ukuthi hayi ngizikwaze ngowami ngiyaxolisa.
Ungaqedi kakhulu mina abantu bathenga ibhuku leli. Hey, ngazigwaza ngowami. Wow. Ngeke ngixole. Sikhuluma ngani la ngeke ngixole?
Lapha sikhuluma ngiyathanda ukuthi nxa ngibhale ngezinto engibone ngathi abantu bayazibona but
people that the things they can relate to.
Yeah, but bangathi abafuni
ngama uncomfortable and embarrassing conversations.
Yeah, yes,
things
exactly.
We need to talk about because zikhona ziyenzeka whether we like it or not singafihla senzeni but ziyaphila.
So this story akusi story esikhona though but kule ndaba ecishe iye lapho. So engayixoxelwa ngomuntu ecishe yangithini.
No, asenze kanje istory esikhona izinto ezinje zisuka zikhona ngoba I'll tell you why. The fact that someone will relate or the fact ukuthi asenzakalanga kuwe actually doesn't mean ukuthi asikho. Into ezikhona lezi eziphilayo lezi.
Yes, so lana there is this family ekhona umntwana owazithola esala lo malume ngesikhathi umama wakhe yokwenda. Then nakuthatha ngasikhathi umalume lo nkosikazi benzi accident bachona. Ekubeni bebephila nje kahle bemphethe kahle njengomntwana.
Yeah.
Then kwasekukhosta ukuthi umntwana aye umama akhamthathe ayohlala la emendweni wakhe. Of which esefikile lapho wathola ukuhlukunyezwa ngostepfather. Emhlukumeza ngokulala la ngokocansi.
Yeah.
And then wamtholisa umntwana. So lo baba wayele mali futhi ehlonipheka esigabeni endaweni abantu bonke bayamsaba bayamhlonipha. And then umntwana uswele ukuthi yenzeni atshele bani.
Yeah.
So one day wakhetha ukuthi awuthi ngimlanda umama ngimtshela ukuthi lokhu kuyenzeka kulento eso.
Yeah.
Then umama was like hayi ngiyakuzwa mntanami but nxa sike samtshela lo muntu sizokondliwa ngubani.
Okay. Ngoba
bayadla umama akasebenzi umama yi housewife. Ukhona nje uphila kahle impilo emnandi. So lobo mama sezama ukuthi ayifake kancane kubaba ukuthi kule ndaba nje ubaba vela amvale ngemoto amvale ngalokho njengomuntu lento zonke umama vele ayehlisa umoya.
So lapha lithi uzama ukuveza egcekeni ukuthi abanye abazali baqhakathekisa inhlala kahle ukudlula impilo lenjabulo yabantu ababo.
Yeah. Bekuyilokho ngoba umama wasacrifice impilo yomntanakhe. And bekuye kuphela umntana anaye.
The one and only aqeda yenze kanje.
Yes, ubaba waze wamtholisa umntwana owesibili. Then kulalo mfana okhona empilweni yalo ntombazana owazi wamnika isibindi ukuthi kumele sisukume and report this. So ngoba ithi ngeke ngixole yilo ntombazana etshela abazali bakhe bonke bongithula umama wakhe ukuthi angeke ngixole indlela eyenzeke ngayo usesele yebo babotshwa bahlala ejele bazo but abantwana basele bawu2 ngabaka baba awusela mama.
Hayibe ngakwazi abadiphu kanje ke asime khonabo singaqhubeka kakhulu ngoba abantu bayagcina bengasathenganga. Nalugwalo uthenga ngeke ngixole ngazigwaza ngowami. Recently we saw you had a launch laphana lelabalo bakithi. Inzondo was the title of that one. The most recent one. Take us through.
Okay. Ay, inzondo. Yeah. Angifuna ukugxila kakhulu kodwa ngizogxila.
Xila. Take your time. The floor is
Okay,
yours.
inzondo impilo esiphila kuyo ngensuku zanamuhla.
Isikhathi samanje.
Eish.
Yeah.
Ifikisela usizi lenyembezi indlela abantu abaphathana ngakhona.
Yeah.
Ungafunga ukuthi abantu inyamazana zingcono kulabantu.
Sezingcono vele. Okasongo sebengcono.
Yeah.
Kulathi.
Inyamazana ungakhetha ukuhlala lazo uthi hayi. Ngoba kuleli lithi inzondo benzama ukukhipha. Angeke ngithi i-fiction, angeke ngithi aso-fiction.
Yeah. Like as I said, izinto we relate to.
Abantu abaningi abarelateayo kuzo.
Yeah.
So benzama ukuveza ukuthi inzondo in most of the cases akusiyi ukuthi nxa umuntu ekuzonda kanje wena ule reason.
Yeah.
Umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi umile lapha a decide ukuthi yazi
joyful angimthiwa mbali.
Yes. Acabange nje azizwe right ngakho ukuthi hayi yazi lo muntu angimthandi.
Yeah.
Even lingakaze likhulume.
Yes. Ekubona nje from afar.
Athi hayi lo. So kulele lithi inzondo kule this family ubaba umuzi olobaba lamadodana. Then labo makhelwane ku society nje.
Yeah.
Then kula this family umfana wakhona uyathatha umakoti.
Yeah.
And then umakoti kuvele kube khona abasongayo ukuthi uyabona lo angeke simeke ayendawo akafanele
ukubala ekhaya
ukumthatha umfazi nje abe
okusongelwa umfana ukuthi angeke amthathe umfazi
engubani. Then kube angazi zothi inhlanhla kumbe libhadi ukuthi abe sethola umfazi ohlakaniphileyo ozama ukumkhuphula amsephezulu
ukuthi la noma befunile kodwa ngoba mina I'm now your support, which means lento leyo go against it
sizohamba ngayo. Then ke kube yilapha ekhula khona kakhulu inzondo ke
from
ukuthi besisathi angeke yaza athatha umfazi abe lo muzi.
Yeah.
What more esethetha umfazi futhi okanje. Hayi iqala inzondo laphe okuvela khona ukuthi kugcine kuthakathwana kabhlungu. Ibuye ihambisane le lokungathandani like as abantu begazi ukuthi igazi liyajikelana.
Yeah.
Uyabulawa ngongo wakho.
Yeah.
Ngoba in this family sibona umfowabo walo muntu osongelwayo esebenzisana labanye abaseceleni to destroy umfowabo. Yes. Ngoba laye ufila angathi akasakhanyi.
Sokukhanyalwana
kuphela. So la besebona ukuthi no ayiphele. Ibhlungu ngoba igcina esechonile lo abebemsongela. Sebezame zonke indlela ukuthi hayi angeke ngoba siyazama la siyehluleka siyafuna ukubahlukanisa abehlukani siyafuna ukuthi sibulale lo akuvuma simtholi. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyathanda ukuthatha kakhulu into ezithiwa ngabadala ukuthi umuntu ongasowakini awumtholi lula.
Yes,
akukho lula. So yikho ki ending yakhona begcina sebethole lo ongowabo ngoba bayakwazi balayo le access yokusebenzisa umfowabo.
To his spirit.
Yes.
To his shadow.
Yeah. So yaphela kanjalo ke sebekwazile ukumthola bambulala kanjalo. And then iba yilapho ukuthi ngiyabe ngizama ngaleli lithi inzondo benzama ukuchela abantu umbuzo wokuthi and then what
nxa selikwenzile lokho
nxa sekwenzakele basele usele lo umamoyo i-character yakhe ngumamoyo usele akasenayo indoda basele abantwana basenayo ubaba usele umzali wakhe useluza umntwana then wena utholana uyabo ngoba even kungathiwa umuntu usebenzile ulazi izinto ezibambekayo angeke uzithole
futhi ngeze kusendawo
noma ungaziphiwa angeke zikusendawo and iyabi kuphi leya peace eyokuthi ulala kanjani ebusuku ekubeni wazi ukuthi kulabantu abakhalayo kulabantu abatshintshelwe izimpilo impilo engeke iphinde
ifane futhi
just because of inzondo.
What do you think fuels hate in families? Because it's a thing. Of sahleli laphandle, I think sixoxe kakhulu with the whole crew ngendaba yama family structures, how we raise kids. Sakhuluma ngendaba imali zezimfa lezi mina against imali zezimfa lezi ezikhollectwayo. Ngoba ama families amaningi after that day umuntu echonile kwacollecta imali kulomunye osedla imali akusazwana for generations to come. Kwesinye isikhathi futhi uthola thina singabantwana or noma baba bethu paying for the sins of our fathers, of their fathers or forefathers. What do you think wena ngwakho inzondo is, where does it stem from, especially in families? Abantu kumele ukuthi kuthiwa bayathandana. There's a lot of hate within families.
I think mina ngafuna ukuthi ujabule lo munye nxa right ngoba ephila nje ngoba mina ngokwami I believe ukuthi ubhuti wami nxa esenza into enhle ngizitshela ukuthi ngiyami like ngiyazifaka phakathi kuyo ukuthi ngikhaya we've got this ngiyakwenza mina kubhuti wami
hayi lamvele
ngiyabreaka ngakho ukuthi imota yangikhaya ngilobhuti wami lomuzi wakho omuhle ngiyuposta now and then ngiyabisenzela ukuthi abantu ngithi my home akusiwo wami kodwa ngokabhuti wami but I think le yanto yokujabulela omunye umuntu yiyo esehlulayo mostly even ukuvuma ukuvuma ukuthi umuntu loya wenza into enhle kumbe ubusisiwe ngokwempilo ukwedlula mina and then I think asikunanzelela ukuthi kuyasichaya futhi thina abakwenzayo ngoba abantu abanjalo esikhathini eziningi abayindawo and yes bazoba bekuvalela ukuthi ungahambi la ungadluli but when uzobuphusha usiyaphambili but bona eqinisweni akujwayelekanga ukuthi umuntu wakhona
ayephambili
because inzondo lomona I think kudalwa ngumona nje
ukwenza futhi uhlale uzithola ungasazenzele zakho izinto you are not improving because you are not focusing on abanye abantu. Energy lana is a lot.
It's a lot.
And you get nothing at the end of the day.
Yeah, exactly. Yiyo into la khona lapho ebenzama ukuyitsho phakathi kwalolu gwalo ukuthi i-energy ebisetshenziswa ngamadoda engikhuluma ngayo umkhwanazi lo Bhekimpi. Sonke isikhathi bebehlala bendawonye behlangane be strategize behlale phansi behlele ukuthi lokhu sizokwenza kanje lo muntu sizombulala so
discussing evil.
Yes. And then uzibuza ukuthi isikhathi lesi if besithatha labo besebenzele sona bona ekuzameni yes ekuzameni impilo zabo labo behlelo kwabo ukuba umhlaba uyindawo engcono kakhulu nxa singazama nje ukususa nje amehlo yes uyamkhangela umuntu nxa esenza okuhle ujabule ukope futhi okuhle akwenzayo umuntu kuyavunyelwa ukukhangela uzumbuza ukuthi ufike njani la akuchazele umuntu ukuthi hayi inthethe lokungahlanganisa la lokho uthathwe kuzama ukwehlula ubuye futhi uzothi hayi ngithethe lapha ngahlanganisa but akuvumanga azathi asambi ngiyokubonisa ukuthi kwenziwa njani. I think impilo ingaba ngcono that way kulokuthi sizondelane nje.
I think we need to fix the family structure.
Yes.
Family structure omalume bebe ngabomalume, anti babe ngo-anti, obaba, omama, wonke umuntu adlale irole yakhe. Because I think into esisenzakala manje ukuthi omunye udonse siyale omunye siyale akula muntu ohlanganisa ifamily
ohlanganisayo
yikho abanye begcina bebona bezithola sebe waste bespenda isikhathi le energy in plotting evil against abanye abantu because ifamily structure isuke isiphukile nxa ifamily structure ikhona iphila kuhlala abantu beke bahlangane for whatever reason kungafiwanga I think a lot of those things izinto
zingagwemeka njengakhona lokho ukuthi asithi uyahlela kulinyaza umfowenu lawe you are part of it and then if i-family structure i-right njengoba usitsho now and then kuyahlalwa phansi liyakhumbuzana ukuthi how much you love each other.
Yep, how much you mean to one another.
Yes, omunye uqhakatheke kanjani komunye omunye lize lixoxe lokuthi nxa ngingafa abantu abami ungakhohlwa likukhumbuzane khona lokho
ube le peace ukuthi even if I'm gone I know so and so will look after my children.
I think one day umuntu engathi uyakwenza lokho komunye wakhe let's say kumbe family member azikhuza ukuthi no man but siyazikhuluma lezi zinto and kuyafika nzima uyambetray nzima umfowenu kuyabe sokuthatha lo yamuntu lenhliziyo elukhuni
ukuthi aza kwenze
but just because omunye uphila labantu abakhele omunye labantu abakhele
it's easy to then from a distance assume things create things ezingekho
ngoba vele alazani liyazalana but alazani lokuthi udlula entweni ezinjani awazi
umfowenu ayesabe lokukhuluma ukuthi yazi labamphelelwe ngumsebenzi
exactly
ngoba esazi ukuthi engakhuluma akancediswa kodwa uyahlekwa
akancediswa kulalokho mhlawumbe uzathatha uyehlekisa ngaye lawe phandle and then i-society esiphila kuyo these days ukuthi abantu sebesifa kungafanelanga
uthole ifamily member ikhipha indaba zefamily siyazixoxa phandle
ziphuma ngayo ezisensitive ziphume ahamba ayokhuluma ukuthi hayi lokhu kusoso
umama lo baba balwile izolo
azaziphendulele zibuye reverse
the whole family gets tarnished now igama le family it gets tarnished ngoba futhi kulula kabi labana abantu abaphandle ukuthi bakholwe ngoba lento bayizwe kuwe
kunzima ukuphikisa umuntu ngento yangakibo kunzima ukuthi ngithi kwenzakala ukuthi lokuthi wena ubuye uzama ukucorrect ukuthi no angeke ngafika kini akunjalo abantu ngeke bakuzwe wena angeke bakulalele and this thing ingene ekutheni nxa sekunjalo sekufika lapho ukuthi omunye sokumele kuchoose it divides ifamily so kumele kuchoose ukuthi hayi but mina ubani ngibona ngathi uyo right ubani ngibona ngathi nguyo right then manje ifamily ikuphi
o mastermind babe phezulu basebenza ukuthiwa i-divide and conquer when the family structure breaks then they now can control both of you this side because you are broken
yes lonke alisazi and then sengangena ke yena aye ngale angene aye so lento oyikhuluma ngayo iqhakatheke kakhulu le eyama broken families angathi iphethe everything eyenzakalayo today
masingavumelana sonke nini silana the families we come from especially thina because we saw families ngasikhula that were united ukuthi ubaba omncane wami mina angikaze ngibize ngobaba omncane
ubaba
thina ngikhaya we don't have cousins o cousins bafundele eGoli mina vela ngikwazi umntaka baba omncane umntaka auntie umna wami ngusisi wami and bekuhlonitshwana thina ngikhaya abafana bonke ngubhuti bani even omncane simbiza ngobhuti bekulabo bhuti Ndo bhuti Nhla kuze yabona yindlela esikhule ngayo manje lokho esikubona manje so uzosokuthiwa hayi lo ngumntaka bani lo bababona ibizwa ngebizo
yes lami ngikhulele emzini onjalo ukuthi obaba I think bebezalwa abafana obaba bami bebe ngu9 family enkulu bonke balabantwana futhi abaningi kodwa sebachona bonke kwasala ubabami wonke umuntu nxa ekhayela ubaba bonke abalabo baba sebahambayo they hardly say ukuthi abalayo baba.
They've got a father in
Bathu
him.
baba ukhona kubaba.
That's it. That's
so sakhulela.
Yeah.
Kumbe okunye kwakusenziwa ukuthi sasikhulela vele umuzi kwesinye isikhathi uyabuyi-1 likhulela emzini oyi-1 lisidla endawonye so khona lokhuyana izinto esasizithatha kancane but zazisiletha
khona khona bekuqakathekile
kakhulu
bekuqakatheke ukuthini bekuletha ifamily together without any extra effort
bekungasetshenzwa nzima ukuthi wazi ukuthi lo mina yakhumbula ngikhaya kulabantwana babo anti u-anti ongazange ayende hey even namhlanje ngobhuti bami like sikhuliswa ngomama bethu sonke kunzima uma sokuthiwa ngithi masebethi mamncane angathi aseyizihlobo ngendlela eyiyo.
I know what you mean.
So
I think bengikubirthday yomshana wami and one thing engiyibonileyo babomncane that he's doing is exactly that. And I'm glad ukuthi we're talking about it here today because birthday nje ibikhona la emalangeni. He's got a house. And laphayana mawufika uthola abantwana esiyabe thina sesibabiza ngokuthi baphuma kuleyanindlu abanye baphuma kuleyanindlu abanye but laphayana likhaya kusegoli kunjalo. Likhaya abantwana labana bonke ngusisi ngobhuti akula ababizwa ngokuthi lo ngwangaphi and into lena nje engikhangela ngananzelela ukuthi this is beautiful, this is what we need to do. Yes, egoli emafletini indawo zingaba zincane akuthi nxa kunjalo ke abantu bahlala bahlangane epakini kunama families amanye that sit once a month, not even a burial society yesigaba but families abahamba beyehlala uzothwalana i-gathering ye-family yakoDube limele limele labangekho abasekudeni noma abaye besebenza ngalelo langa creating unity. I think the more conversations like this we have the better, and we're going to see isizwe sakithi sivuka ngoba manje sihlangahlangene not because of politics. Politics is just secondary.
Ifika late.
Yes, because politics is winning on the basis that the family structure is broken. Because let me tell you into engenzeka nxa ifamily ibambene. Ifamily yabibambene hlala kuyahlanganwa, you speak with one voice. Yes, as much as kunabo democracy and what don't umuntu azichoosela afuna ukwenza, but when you have spoken with one voice, even as a family people can sit down and scrutinize and discuss ukuthi okay kuno councillor noma kuno MP sicabanga ukuthi ubani wenza kahle lanxa kuvotwa people will vote based on some foundation is strong because it's coming from a family. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi you are touching on issues like this, izinto ezenzakalayo ukhona ubukeleyo right now who relates, who can relate to any of these stories. I notice ukuthi lelinye ibhuku awusabuyanga lalo. And before Sivala, we see you do a lot of charity work. And you're always with your kids when you're going to do these things. And I thought you were going to bring Usindi also namhlanje Shem. Usindi is my student.
Oh, yes.
Yes, she's my former student. And a charity space, Oguso, it's something that I can also relate to. I see what you're doing. You're going around orphanages and identifying lawo ngasiza khona. What's the inspiration behind that?
Angazi ukuthi kusuka ngaphi kodwa kahle ngicabanga ukuthi kusuka ekhaya lapho engikhulele khona. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi umama abamaziyo bayamazi.
Okay.
Ukuthi umamami
shout out mama siyakuthanda siyabonga futhi ukusisalela an angel. She does a lot of work Shem. Ngizolithazela.
Umamami even isikhula besinga understand though ukuthi yathi kuyikudla kokugcina ngoba besingatholi ngendlela leyo ukuthi sithiwa siyathola. Avelathi umuntu nxa icela athi hayi limnikeni.
Lodlulayo uyabizwa.
Odlulayo ngikhaya akudlulwa. Ngeke ngimbone manje nxa ngikhona esesithi hayi abantu bakho uyabona abantu bakho ngithi hayi abantu baqala ngani. Uyabe sesenza ngathi ngabami. Ngikhaya akuhlali ukuthi siyahlala
kungela muntu.
siphelele kungela extra akwenzeki fana la kwami endlini sometimes bayazi abantu abami sometimes ngiyazivalela endlini ebedroom ngene ngikhiye ngibatshela ukuthi lithi umama akekho
just to rest
babuye angeke ngoba sekuthiwa umama akekho bengezi bazoza babuye bahlale uyoze uphume uyoze uphume so umama mi beyilowo muntu yakhumbula kulo sisi wami umntama mncane wami esikhule sonke uAndile ose UK besibuzana ukuthi umama uright kahle hle like lokhu sizama ukumchazela amahlamvu elithe siwanikeza umuntu yiwa wokugcina akusela amanye athi hayi limnikeni lizabona asitshela athi lizabona ngeke silale ngeke kusasa kuyofika isikhathi sokunathi tea singelawo
futhi labo bona Nkosi yami
but into ebibuye ingimangaze ke I think eyenza ukuthi ngiqale ngiyithathe seriously into ukuthi ibingakazi ifika isikhathi sokuthi sinathi tea singayinathi
hlala litholile leyo nto
yabifuna so ngaqala ukuzama ukuthi ngimxolele ukuthi hayi kutsho ukuthi uyazi ukuthi kuzagcina kwenzekile then I think kusuka lapho mina ngizange ngazibona ukuthi ngithi ngiyaqala kumbe ngiyathanda ukuthini
wabona so
ngabona kuzenzakalela yes ukuthi ukuthintakala komuntu nxa umuntu engadlanga ngidlula umuntu ohleliyo phandle ngaqala lapho ukuthi kumbe ngimphakele ngimnike kusasa uzobona omunye wenze njalo ngalandela la ngihlala khona kule park eduze ehlala abantu laba aba homeless ngaqala ngathatha abantwana ngivuke nje ngithi hayi asilalutho but silempuphu efrijini kule sichebo sipheke papa sipheke sihlanganise sebaphakela so ngathi xa ngikwenzile kulento eyenzakala kimi enhlizweni ukuthi
feel fulfilled
yes so ngaqala ukuthi nxa kuyi birthday ya any of abantwana siyayenza that thing sibaphekele siyebanika nxa kuyi birthday yami siyebanika asithwali nzima kakhulu ukuthi kumele bethole into ezispecial abantu labana bahlala phandle bona into isitshwala abasazi uyabungakwazi ukuthi basicine nini ngoba ngaqala ubona ukuthi hayi ithimba yaphekela amasaladi ngibaphekele irice into ezobajabulisa ngananzelela ukuthi no
they need food they don't need fanciness
and uma uphekile indlela abajabula ngakhona ayifani laleyi ukuthi nithethe ama cold drink ngabathelela I think babedinga labo
home cooked meal
ngaqala ke kwaba injayelo like nxa ngingasakwenzanga ke I don't feel okay.
I know.
Yes, so kwaba la lokho ukuthi ngiyabheka nje ukuthi indawo engingaya kuzo ezilabantwana like ngiyathanda uku-associate labantwana kakhulu I think khona lokho esikutsho ukuthi abantu ama-society esiphila kuwo ngibuya ngibe ngumuntu osensitive othanda ukuthi umuntu engakhuluma into ngiyifake enhlizweni so ngiyananzelela ukuthi nxa ulabantwana akwenzakali konke lokho zingilosi nje just ukwenza loba yini so ngiyasondela kakhulu ebantwaneni kulase ebantwini ngoba abantu abadala babelembono echiyeneyo I've even tried ukuthi ngisondeze abanye abantu ukuthi
usebenzisane nabo
maybe sebenze but omunye uzokutshela ukuthi ule mali
they always come against leave that one
yes and then
yona leyo
yes
so wow where do you get all this money from ukufida
abantu laba and then isikhathi sani so utholani lo kungichaye kakhulu wayenza ukuthi at least ngizihambele ngiyi-1 utholani ngokubanika ukudla and then angizange ngithi ngifuna ukuthola ngifuna ukuthi bona bethole. It's not about me.
And there's one thing that I think we should teach people when it comes to giving, especially when you give to people. You see, when I go out here and give someone who probably is down today, they are borrowing 100 rand and I borrow them, that's not helping. yibo bantu abasilimazayo kusasa.
Yeah, exactly.
But if you go and help a person in the streets, if you go and help an orphan in an orphanage, in a home, umuntu okwazi ukuthi they can't give you anything back.
Yeah.
That is the best. You feel fulfilled when you go to sleep at night.
Kumnandi.
But ungajwayela ukunikeza laba abantu who are going through a phase. I'm not saying don't help people.
Yeah.
Please do, but no ukuthi bazokujiyela. No ukuthi kusasa bazokuthethisa. These days kule social networks lezi ezabuyayo bazokutrendisa, bazokukhuluma kabi, ubasizile. Angisho ukuthi uthe ubasizile wasumosha, angisho ukuthi ungakhuzwa. Uzokhuzwa, yes, as umuntu, but I think we need to shift kakhulu the paradigm. Sisuke kakhulu ekuncediseni umuntu ongakwazi ukuzinceda and focus on people that don't have a backup, the homeless.
Yeah, lelo iqiniso elimsulwa ngoba ukusiza umuntu olawa amandla ukuthi kusasa hayi ngicela kwanamhlanje kusasa ngizavuka ngiphume ngiye ngaphi. Esikhathini esiningi kuhamba lezi nkulumo.
Absolutely.
Kuhamba lezi nkulumo and then lawe ezumuntu sonke singabantu ubuhlungu siyabuzwa. So uyalimala ufike ezingeni lokuthi uthi why vele kumele ngisize umuntu.
Yeah, awuyayeka mina sengiresign kaningi.
Hayi uresign uyashifta khona lokho ukusho ukuthi hamba oncede umuntu okwazi ukuthi angeke atsho lutho.
Hayi especially umkaya hayi.
Like
hayi umkaya hayi.
Ama orphans uyahamba khona ngale.
Do that. Umkaya ngiyaxolisa shem. If you notice recently you have never seen me doing anything to helping individuals or uNkulunkulu uzongixolela.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
Yeah,
you get hurt and you be sharing the little that you have.
Yeah, usukungenako.
Yeah, I'm tired on behalf of uVigi. Othethiswayo azathreatenwe. Umuntu ovuka ekseni thinking for other people.
Ecabangela abanye abantu uzuzibuza ukuthi esakhe isikhathi uthola ukucabanga ngaye sonke isikhathi she tries ukufocus kwabanye abantu azama ubona ukuthi bayancedakala. Abanye size sithathe sibuyisele kuma broken families ukuthi ngenxa yokuthi abakwazi ukuhlanganisa ama families.
Yes.
Then usuke usisiviji abe abathwalele
lwamthwalo.
Yes, abathwalele but yini yenzakala
umuntu abuye utholakele ulahlekile uVija post ifamily sibuya sithreaten uVija post.
Yes, why you post
umuntu. If the family structure was intact bekungeke kufike ukuthi umuntu azapost.
Yes.
Ethi nxa inesepostele senza lo msebenzi awenzayo athethiswe athreatenwe all those things. It is not fair bantu bakithi. Please try and do better. I've always asked if you see someone doing something and you do not agree with it, please state your facts on why you don't agree with it. Don't insult. Don't cyberbully the person. Like ngikhangele kakhulu lena abantu bakithi. I'm looking at oVG and then I'm looking at Thando Chuma no Vusi. They're cycling. Bayathethiselwa ukuthi bazigadele ibhayisikili
labo.
Umeli every December uyacycle ahambe ekhaya afike uBulawayo from Bulawayo to Kezis. Now also teaching and sort of like inspiring young people to do the same. Siyamthethisa. I know ukuthi bakhona kuthiwa ngomankwambe noma kuthiwa ngama-fake accounts, ama-ghost. Siya understand ukuthi bakhona, but lawo ma-ghost awazibhaleli. There is a human being behind that. So zamani ukuthi lehlise kancane inzondo njengoba sesikhulumile. And allow abantu abafana nabo Sisimesi kanje, aboVigi, abosibona kuhle back in Zim, abobudumlungisi Dube. We've got different groups also. Abo Asakhan, we've got abo Kanyeni, abo Butulaiza, and abo Lorraine. People that are doing the little they can in society. Let's allow them to do their work. Yeah, if you're not interested in what they're doing, you can stay away. If you do not agree, you can also just step aside. Siswake, siyabonga. Amabhuku atholakala nga.
Amabhuku ayatholakala kimi kumbe khona ku-organization
abalobi bakithi
sizacela ukuthi if abantu abalesifiso sokubhala baye bazama ukuyilandelela ngoba basondele ngoba isilesikhathi yona.
Maybe I should join abalobi bakithi for me to complete my book.
Yeah, isilesikhathi eside 2013 now sesila over 10 years sesinamabhuku awu 22 23 and then 5 or 6 if I'm not mistaken zikhona kuZimseki.
I've seen that ukuthi some of the books from abalobi bakithi sezikhona eZimseki.
Yeah, zikhona so okuyinto esiziqhenyayo ngayo. And then i-organization engeke kufune lutho nxa ufuna kanje ukukhipha umsebenzi wakho bayakubamba ngesandla bakuncedise bakubonisa iminyango bakwenzele i-editing. Ungananzelela all of our books ama-editors ngabalobi bakithi,
edited by Ntando Yenkosi Ncube.
Yes.
Yamazi uNtando.
Yes.
Meleki Sibanda, Nguvodloza.
Yes, from abalobi bakithi.
Nhlamulo Mkhatshwa, Brains Chuma. Brains there futhi.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh man.
So kusuke kuyi-team yabalobi bakithi esedithelayo. We don't go outside siye siyothi sesifuna ama-editors sesifuna lokho.
So it's empowerment from within.
Yes.
So ngibona lapha futhi izigaba zakwaNdonga ziyaduma. Ngibani wabhala la?
Abalobi baqala short stories by abalobi bakithi.
Oh, you teamed up.
Yes, yeah.
Sigiya ngolwethu izinkondlo ngabalobi bakithi.
Yes, abalobi bakithi. I've got 5 poems from that one.
Eyamasi Kayilulami Butholezwe Mpofu.
Yes.
Abalobi bakithi. Mhlaba kawulaqiniso ayileli ngiyalazi. Bongani Ncube.
Yes.
Kangeke kwenzeke indaba ezinhle bani? Follow yakubonakala lapha yana. Kodwa mama ngibani lapha ya? Zibusiso Lima.
Yeah, likhona kuZimseki. The chosen one, yes.
Wow.
A-level, I guess.
Kunjani nxa kunje? Meleki Vodloza.
Yes.
Bantu bakithi ulimi lwakithi luyachabalala. Ungacheka lapho ungena ngilawa ama-states aqondileyo khathesi ukuthi kuthiwa ngomnyaka thizeni ulimi lwakithi sokungenzeka lube extinct lugcine lungasekho. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abafana lalabo abalobi bakithi ngicela lizama ukusondela. Ngiyake ngifike lapho engikwanisa ukufika khona nxa kulonjwa amabhuku asameni ku Facebook ungasearcha ukuthi abalobi bakithi ujoin ulandele. Ngicabanga ukuthi bayaposta even ama-snippets of some of these books online.
Yes, yebo.
Ubhudu Mathambo Xakalala post even some of the snippets from Mbuso Wegazi.
Yebo.
Mbango Wedlozi ngilawo. Hey Nkosami, please get that book.
Ibhuku lodumo. Yeah.
Ibhuku lelana kodwa likho lodwa. Mbango Wedlozi.
Ihamba lamadlozi.
No, ibhuku lelana ungalifunda. No, ngamtshela. Ibhuku lelana something in you changes when you read it. Ngoba kulezi zinto oqala ukuba aware of.
Ukuthi kanti lokho kunje.
Ngoba Mbango Wedlozi ukhona. Ama families amaningi how abantwana abazalwa ngakhona. Ubaba wangaloboli maybe khona kanti babezwisisana abadala umama athathwe anyway but babe engalotsholwanga umntwana akhule abantwana bethu bayaphila izinto zingahambi kahle kanti ubangwa lidlozi
idlozi liyabanga.
Hey,
yes,
ethi singagxile kakhulu ngoba hey siyabonga kakhulu ukusivakatshela la kusekhaya. Sisazophinda futhi maybe ngelinye ilanga sibe le panel from abalobi bakithi babe bazosichazela but bantu abahle mina engicela kini ukuthi nanzi ingwalo fundaneni sondelani lithenge support if wena ungaso umuntu ofundayo uthi wena hayi mina ngile budget maybe let's take one of the books and turn it into a movie nangamabhuku you don't need to struggle anymore now to write a movie nanzi izinto zikhona sihleli phambi kwenu sibonga kakhulu siswami ukusivakatshela uNkulunkulu abe nawe uqhubeke ngomsebenzi ngizofuna ngelinye ilanga sibe sokhuluma ngemaLaika Orphanage usebenzisana nabo kakhulu siyakubona recently uhambile wa drop cake ama cold drink nani ukuthi abantwana bakholise kube mnandi mkhulu kakhulu umsebenzi owenzayo ngiyabonga on behalf of the kids. Bukelo muhle asiyidede indawo sazophinda sibuye podcast yabantu le. Danko.